Best throw blankets. Best budget throw blanket. The Connecticut Home made this blanket with love and care. Its blend of soft faux fur and Sherpa delivers softness and smoothness. It's the ideal choice for your home, and you can wear it while sitting in a chair or lying in bed. The product is machine washable and available in various colors. Brand: The Connecticut Home. Best rated throw blanket. If you need to replace your old blanket, you must buy the Bedsure's blanket with 100% acrylic material. It's beneficial for people who look for the best and high-quality product. It's cozy and comfortable with a soft feel. It's available in different colors, and you can buy the one that could help you in detailing your decor. Brand: Bedsure. Best for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and want to buy a blanket with 100% cotton material, we have an Amazon Basics blanket to facilitate you with the best. You'll be comfortable and relaxed while curling in this cozy blanket. It's perfect for all seasons and manages the temperature of your body. Thus, you can buy this blanket for your loved ones. It's washable and the color won't fade away or it won't shrink after washing. Brand: Amazon Basics.